Hello, welcome to another piano tutorial with Aaron. Now, anytime you watch my video and then you click the like button, the subscription button, and then you share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media, you give YouTube the chance to promote my video to a wider audience. So I'll be happy if you could do that by clicking subscribing and then sharing it to your friends. All right, so the sole aim of these videos that I've been making is to reach beginners and then intermediate level players who don't really know how to go about it in scoring songs and then their progression, so that they could play songs in a simple way that will still sound nice for them to use in church and anywhere they go. So today we're going to be learning a song, There Is None Like You. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search you all and find there is none like you. So I'm going to show you the simplest way of playing the song for a beginner who is newly learning how to play key B. This is your chord 1, this is your chord 2, this is your chord 3, this is your chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7. Play it this way, and then chord 1. Alright, so these are your chords. So let's start with the very first progression. It descends. So there is none. So the very first part, this is what you're going to play, and then the second part, so for the very first part you're going to play this chord 1, chord 7, then you move to chord 6, then you're going to play F5 over 6 sharp. Now this is an F sharp minor 11th chord, but instead of boring you with the names for you to be confused, if you're using the numbers, this note 1, note 7, 6. So from 6, before you come to the 7, this is your sharp, or you could say this is your 7 flat or flat 7, but you play it a major chord. Do, ti, po, over the 5. And most of the times when you're about to move to chord 4, that's when you use this chord. So 1, 7, 6. So because we are now going to move to 4, we play. So 5 over 7 flat or 6 sharp, 1, and then 4, then 3, 2, then you play 2 over 5. You still maintain your 2, and then you play your 5. So it sounds like this. There is none like you. And no one else can touch my heart like you do. Then the second one you play, I could search you all eternity long and find. This time around, instead of moving to 4, because we're gonna end the song, the tempo at which the song goes comes down. So you play 2/4, 2/2, and then 2/5, then you end in 1. Now, when you play the 1/7, from 7 you could play a minor chord, which is your 3. So it's 1 7 3 6. So it's like this. There is none like you. So for some time now we've been learning it. It's a 6 2 5 1 4. So it sounds like this. So 6 2 5 1 4. Now before you play the 6, from 7 you can move to 3. So it becomes a 7 6. 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. Okay, so 1 7 3 6 2 5 1 4. So there is none like you. Okay, sorry. There is none like you. And no one else can touch my heart like you. I could search you eternity long and find there is none like you. So let's do it again. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you. I could search you eternity long and find there is none like you. Okay, so the ending you could end in a, it's a 4 3 2, then 2/5. So you play it by spelling it out. So again. Alright, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share it. God bless you.